What if you didn't buy a product, you just used it? What if instead of owning a car, you had access to mobility? Instead of buying a lamp, you paid for light. That's the idea behind product as a service, or PaaS. It's a business model where customers pay for the outcome, not the object. And it's one of the most powerful enablers of the circular economy. Let's start with the basics. In a linear model, businesses sell products. Once sold, the company moves on, and the user is left with all responsibility. Maintenance, disposal, waste, that's your problem. But in PaaS, the business retains ownership. They provide the product as a service, and they manage everything across its life cycle. This creates a shift in incentives. If you're a company selling appliances, you want to sell more units. But if you offer clean laundry as a service, you want machines that last longer, use less energy, and require less repair. Because your profit depends on performance, not just volume. Let's look at some examples. Philips doesn't just sell light bulbs, it provides lighting as a service. Clients pay for light in offices or airports, not for the fixtures. Philips installs, maintains, and eventually reuses or recycles the equipment. Rolls-Royce offers power-by-the-hour jet engines. Airlines don't buy the engines, they buy guaranteed thrust and uptime. Rolls-Royce monitors engine performance in real time, handles repairs, and upgrades parts to extend engine life. Mud Jeans leases jeans. Customers wear them, send them back, and the company recycles the cotton into new jeans. The value stays in the loop. Here's why PaaS supports circularity. 1, extended lifespan. Since the company owns the product, it's designed to last. Durability and repairability become business advantages. 2, built-in take-back. The return path is part of the model. No more e-waste or landfill dumps. 3, better maintenance. Companies can track and service products more effectively, reducing downtime and waste. 4, customer loyalty. With ongoing service relationships, customers stay longer. It's not one and done. 5, resource efficiency. Fewer products are needed when products are used more intensively and reused. But there are challenges too. PaaS requires new logistics systems. It requires digital tracking, reverse supply chains, and strong customer service. And it demands a mindset shift, from transactions to relationships, from selling stuff to delivering outcomes. Still, the potential is massive. It works in fashion, electronics, home appliances, vehicles, furniture, and even construction materials. Imagine leasing kitchen cabinets, or subscribing to an office setup that updates every 2 years, or paying for purified water by the liter without owning the filter. PaaS makes this possible. And customers are ready. They want flexibility, access, and simplicity, especially younger generations who value experience over ownership. In the circular economy, PaaS is a win-win. Better for users, better for businesses, better for the planet. It turns products into platforms, waste into opportunity, customers into partners, and value into a continuous loop. This is product as a service. This is the future of access, not excess.